Good morning, good morning. Good morning po sa ating mga subscriber, sa ating mga silent viewer. Good morning po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po kayo. Shout out po at mabuhay dyan sa ating mga kasama sa SPC Anglers. Panoorin po natin ang isa na namang fishing adventure ni Boss Alelex Dayo dyan po sa Sacramento River dyan sa California, USA.
All right. Today is April 12, 3:36 p.m. California time. Time to go fishing. Just get up at work. So let's see. See you in a spot.
Let's go!
Moments later.
All right, wish me luck. Come on, fishy. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Come on, one. Fish on. Sabi ko dyan. Fish on. Small one, but it's a keeper. Yeah. After work, guys. After work. Fish on after work. Yeah. Yeah. RT.
Ayos yan, Boss Alelex. Ang laki niyan. Ang sarap niyan, sinigang sa miso. Ayos na naman ang buto-buto. Nice catch. Mapapasa na all ka na lang.
You really feel it. Damn. Now I'm gonna take it out. How? Yeah. 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 Fish on. Follow on. Baby.
Undersize ang nahuli ni Boss Alelex. Ibabalik yan. Kasi ni standard pong sukat na sinusunod dito sa California. Kaya po palaging maraming nahuhuli rito ng isda at hindi sila mauubusan. Yan po yung kaibahan ng pagpipishing sa ibang bansa dito sa atin. Nalpasan na kasi undersize siya. Hindi po pasado yung sukat para iuwi.
All right, just have a fish on. Big fish. Big fish. Nice size. Nice size, Baba. Smile. Yeah, another 22 inches. That's it, man. 30 minutes of fishing. Limit out, 25 inches each. Nice one, Baba. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have anybody to video me, but this is a good size though.